to papa na no defending. And I'm say and then my charitable to Forestry Commission. But don't push us because push here I want you be can sembia ma e be kwa fan semaba. Inti ni aka na bebu mu no. Because issues ni boy security reasons inti menka. Tina me say enyoma ye warfare Forestry Commission ni enyoma e koso no. We don't want to commit. And yes sir, e be kwa fan sembibre aba. Now there's an act. In fact, the 571 acts of parliament. Now, Rev say what's many man has a camera. Pressure. The Forestry Commission Act 1999. I say an act to re-establish the Forestry Commission in order to bring under the commission the main public bodies and agencies implementing the functions of protection, development, management, and regulation of forest and wildlife resources, and to provide for related matters. Act Forestry Commission Act 1999. Now the date of assent, 31st of August 1999. Okay, kaya the act establishing Forestry Commission and there was muye. Now, my main for section 2 number, the Omo function Forestry Commission Omo jume there was mudi. First one. The commission shall be responsible for the regulation and utilization of forest and wildlife resources, the conservation and management of those resources, and the coordination of policies related to them. Enti commission no, yes say emremu no kire say e kwan a ye fa so e use ye forest no, emmoa na ewom no, e kwan a ye fa so bon ho ban ene ho agudie nyina no ene policy mra ya hihye ni nyina no eye Forestry Commission for na e wose omoye obetu na ose without limiting the scope, the commission shall regulate the utilization of forest and timber resources. Tio Forestry Commission no, they are supposed to ensure forest yes say aye otherwise a work of the Forestry Commission and timber Forestry Commission no or say to regulate vetting the registration of contracts to market timber and such other forest and wildlife products of the commission may determine the establishment of procedures to track the movement of timber, wood, and wildlife products. Ekwanya se obi ekotwa timber na enam kwa so ni nyina no Forestry Commission monitor the harvesting, marketing of forest and wildlife products and related contracts. Mona mo hwe ekwanya ye fa so edia the kwanya ye fa so ton no se bi obi mfa kana na bia promoting the development and dissemination of appropriate industrial standard and trade guidelines for timber, wood, and wildlife products. The work of the Forestry Commission must ensure say a near be a Ghana be a protection no ye transfer ye nya hoso faso and so there be a Rosewood Forestry Commission for to ye wia timber for etimi twi be fam ye nim de akoso to conduct pre-shipment inspection, examination of timber, wood, and tinkobi di niakra kwa brochira. Ni nyina umbeye. Now so I remember last year, and once by Rosewood, Okonofin Regional, Rosewood, China phone try momuti me de koye. Bibia NC. There are many of it. And in say, so we are Forestry Commission. Now what you go? Now see me the minimum she me the minimum. Na ye tu Galamsey ni ese nia na forest ye se no na betra ho be ka kire me say wo de unim ho hwe unim de ekoso a then you are telling me say we should allow you to continue no so kire sen there be enti emra na bu abomo enti ye mpese be apart from mumu bi nso a mu twitwa atwadia no hwe metie ba ko a okwa abrochire se se wo USA West Virginia. Nena mi hu se odi agro wo nsuo ho. Mi hu se odi agro wo nsuo ho. Pacho bra Facebook na be hwe ade. Etore bia mi hu se nsuo na eye ma adwen se na sansuo yi bi pa e wo wiase ma because they say mi hu ensuo a efa na eye me nwanwa because I'm thinking say enti ye wo nsuo bi wo say a etim nsuo timi ye say ahanti brafedu ne behwe the way esitie nsuo ne ɛwɔ Charleston West Virginia ɛno ya wodi agronam so wontwa mame ɛna okotwa nsuo a ɛwɔ hɔ na hwɛ nsuo no ani fa ɛfɛ nsuo no yɛnsɛe no walkway ɛne nam hɔ obiara mfa rubber ɛntumu bɛhwɛ obroni krom a ɛno a wankɔ asɔre ankoku bonsam no hwɛ de wa wɔsie kipu ni nsuo neat Zach metie ba akɔ abrochi baby no ɔgye n'ani because otimi kura akɔtena hɔ enti nka we river pra ne river ofin no ka ye pese ekɔgye ani weekends a na nka ye gyina ho na ye hwɛ nneoma no but wontimi nyina because kwabrane asɛ nsuo no na we ɛyɛ ofe behwɛ bi yɛmra studio na ye ne honorable Asafoji registrar scholarship secretariat Obaya no so person obeka Galamsey asem na me me na be bribe mo ha so obeka jim so nka Galamsey hu asem say we ko ka che producer say mon kan che na ma me nka ma asem we say enya off air enti che say o say on pese obeka Galamsey because ni buafu de e koso no na me so obeka sa there be enya prepare say na no ba ha no prepare kese munyina mo ma Asafoji kese oye honorable nti oye honorable nti kese munyina mo ye
so let me make a brief comment on
Galamsey nti
na let me make because let me make a brief comment
yes
my position has not changed when it comes to Galamsey
which is
Galamsey in itself per year definition na e dia man wo Ghana ha no illegal mining is that not correct?
Yes.
So you can liken it to armed robbery, any other crime I'm describing or Act 29. Now, a Koban is idea. There's a Ghana Police Service. Any Numaku na Bobo Mudin, they have a very big role to play. So because we are the near Chenadia, I don't know be effort Quati Council, Echo Mine, Abra winning Krata Yenchen. Nana, me who problem no baby. Adie na simple adie na da ho say yes say Galamsey a crime illegal mining no a crime na say stealing a crime murder a crime rape a crime ni nyina obi aya ye kye na say obi koye illegal mining ne dia ne chia ye dia na say problem no wa kamia ye say ase me tell story bi na ma men share with you yes say the police commander bi ba Asante Mantem amemo kro ni dim na ne residence one name say light no ti da bia no do headquarters or per transfer ti na transfer no e ya go through ano e na ye say Galamsey for no call ni fie ko chia no one day nti utua envelope ni ade e kakra sun enti ni be 2 weeks no friend the transfer na go through no akose da bi e hoye pa onyanko e hoye so
yeah
you need will no you need a lot of integrity and credibility and mentally you should be strong and say na what me aka say me I'm not going to get involved. It is only when you say you are not going to get involved and I'll be me fighting
say
sika ho adwuma it is a Kobani say also you interested with scam biblia minim say what you say ne coding. But me feel says so my na ebedi no kra ma ye ho a Galamsey kon should not be left in the hands of the president.
Hey,
because uti and America say a crime on say baby am di free ban. Me say Galamsey a crime to say rape.
Na me say na metimi aye apart from say me be advocate.
Enu na wo de na wo part no I agree say ya betina ha beyond just the advocacy. Yentime nya hwe. Ba ye won panimfo a ye de dwumade ni tumi na ye den.
And the ultimate is the president.
Of course, president aka de yenye.
But so why are we not doing
so, baby, it is a petty number 2. What police for no much way then?
Say no munya adwuma.
Enti omunya wo kan say no na bu munta ka taking up near ya transfer no. And an interdict no. The president cannot be everywhere at a time. Et say me metia no mo ka say scholarship secretary amount for GGSK. Me no ka say kro bi plan e bia obi de obi akwhye hotel ba bi e dada obi de 2 years kana me kwa akwaji ama. Ba me minim ho hwe. Ba say pia bon Tia, and Namo and be true afa ho ne better say me committed and I'm committed. Give me what must say. And Untino, said your old canon no pay. Mesuma Facas a few days, so Nama train Yuramuntaka. The Honorable Minister for Interior, Adrian Kosiso said, BB say, Kwaso, petty number 2. They make what I say. No, no, what taking up with the Ghana police.
But why is it, say, President to be a Kase Galamsey Munyai, but still a Koso? Then embodying Crawford to do that.
And yeah, on say. CCA, who committed traffic offense for her. Now, Udruana police don't say your baby will be a drew croppers or comply.
Yeah.
You see, the issue is enforcement. Tuntun for ya yetia yenim rasu. Obi akodra brotre odi mraso. Ye tuntun for ya yetiga na ha. Yenim raso no. Tuntun ni be na akwa brotre na wadru hitru a wo say emra na e wo UK krom on fanya adwuma. Eti memi wuni say a chunk of the responsibility no. A chunk of the responsibility no. Yewra IGP ejina on Crawford ne so.
Enya sa na wo ka no on opposition.
Oh, in opposition, make
in opposition, make a member with you.
No, make a
in opposition.
My position has not changed.
In opposition, it was always a banana Kufado taking action to the level
because Otina as a president, energy ultimate responsibility.
Yes.
Did I not accept that fact? Good.
But they say, baby, I didn't.
President, yeah,
but these people were there. NDC never said it was the president and Mibusa question.
President energy ultimate responsibility.
Yes, on the ascending, sir.
I have not run away from that fact. Yes. I have repeated, say, now they say, Munyamba, a fool, for me.
Because now, one can say IDP.
The whole context of our argument in opposition was that
yes,
the president, the backstops with the president.
Great.
And I have repeated it.
Because in opposition, you never say IDP minister must the most say Nana Kwadwo.
And you say UTA.
Yes.
Or Mampani. Then what is the essence of appointment?
And I'm saying you knew that.
But didn't you know that?
No, but you knew that.
But there was a report indicting. Has there been any reporting indicting any of our ministers?
Oh, Iraso Asaridon called a lot of reporter.
I know one and saying so. I
am not saying say, but I'm just saying we have NDC for they have been
in where
in the Galamsey activities. I don't want to say it here because of security reasons.
Where security,
but I'm just saying, I'm just telling you for a fact.
If somebody
that some NDC members are involved in those things,
let the police do its work.
But I am just saying that it does not negate the fact. Say the president, must ensure because of the president.
But I've repeated same here.
But I'm just saying, say your language right now is IGP and Minister of Interior.
Minister of Interior, we're not president.
But as for you never said Minister of Interior under Nana Akufo-Addo.
I never said.
You never said that.
Me?
Yes.
But wait.
You never said that.
Listen to my arguments in the past. I've always blamed EPA. I've always blamed a Minerals Commission. I've always blamed Forestry Commission because when they issue their license, a woman said, I was so supervising, and we said they are in compliance.
So now we have a change of government. We have new people.
Everything I'm calling on my own interior minister to take action because you've drawn his attention to something happening in Petty.
Not only Petty.
So, and that is why you are the fourth realm of the estate team. It is also part of media duty to draw cheddar media na de koya yehua and but say so my friend guy no. Maybe the Ghana police will also issue a statement and take action.
Okudeta Blakwa in opposition said.
I am not Okudeta.
No, but hold on. Where they are, you are still a senior communication director. I am asking this because for you as a brother, there are a lot of discussion we've had. Your government at that time had talked about total ban, let's stop it, whether licenses or whatever. You said a lot.
Have we banned anything?
You've not.
Good. And we are trying to put measures. Yeah, if you say Akufo-Addo suspension, that suspension for 2 years was needless. Do you know why? Even here in America, my position, they say let's declare all forest zones as security zones.
Why have you not done it?
It is an ongoing process. Nana,
you don't have to take
3
months to do that because emergency.
You see, if you ask me why we have not done that, I've been given a certain mandate. Because the concentration will be. So I cannot be speaking for people. As a journalist, I think you can be fair by interviewing those who have been mandated to fight it. Me scholarship, me buy me media. Brighten the corner where you are. Obia brighten
but
media
you speak for NDC,
now. No, I speak for NDC, but now
have you stopped communication?
I have not stopped, but I've been given a mandate, and my concentration now is on executing my mandate.
Not even making comment because you feel that is not your field on Galamsey.
And yes, sir, because within the time I'm in Azumi office, I have a lot on my table.
Without seeing say Galamsey in so hard.
Now Galamsey, you knew be in charge of Galamsey.
It doesn't mean so who say Galamsey.
What the regional minister did?
Yeah.
So why has the regional minister not stopped it?
So we nipa no so betime.
Me nipa no say na wonya wadamfo.
And madamfo na wo na wa ban wa
ba me wo. Odi ne ka science friend no friend owura Franka mo akoni busa ne say.
No.
Obia won responsibility.
Responsibility Galamsey.
And I make say OTA it is not me. And I want to make Galamsey assem because there are people charged with that mandate in the region because you are very influential. As a man, the fact that I'm a communicator, I say me omniscient and I'm omnipresent.
No,
the first now. My position is simple. Maka say obi illegal mining na yencheno. Is that not my position?
So you advocate for that?
Now then obi illegal mining yencheno. Obi committee obi rape obi ayecheno. Obi biade ayecheno. Obi committee murder ayecheno. And they say yeah, criminal code they say illegal mining a crime. I don't know be illegal mining ayenchino. That has been my position. Me repeat it unless you are not ready to accept it. Now person offer strenuous matters
yes, strenuous.
Because if it is only fair, you are also operating in the region. People have been mandated, given the power to fight it. And to open answers are. And you sabi me spirit in my road be team and would them join me fight Galamsey. Dear mammy, and I may dear. And I'm sure me one-on-one am I what the me was scholarship secretariat.
I'm sure
same measure should be given to Omua almost a more mandate. Say Omobe fighting Galamsey. It's as simple as that.
Yes, and I'm sure sir you stay by that because during time maybe a 2020 year campaign, I'm sure say scholarship secretariat can receive Kwanabeka.
There be. So, I've been invited here. No. So you don't pretend as if I'm running away from something.
Yeah.
I came here purposely to speak.
It doesn't mean
on scholarship. No. You asked me a question. I stated my position. I have maintained that small scale mining may support it, and I support it for a reason. Illegal mining is not the same as small scale mining. I won't sit here and say gold kakrana ye Ghana for na ye nananum di omumoja akwaji asase ato ama ye wo se yesu etimi ye bi e benefit na sika kro no tena Ghana ha economy wem e ma yesu etimi di create employment for afofro no ye din free Ghana for nsam. I will not on any day say that small scale mining ye ntwam, but illegal mining it's just like any other crime. It's just like any other crime. And sometimes, media phones, me boss secretariat. Oh, I'm for Sika, I'm for say who are the people paying the money and who are the recipients? Scholarship secretariat do not have the power to arrest. It is how Kotiasi de Maubia. Now, or what do you do? Go to the CID or any nearest police station, report the person. If you have evidence, produce you. Let them arrest the person.
All right, point
you don't turn around and be blaming the registrar. And I'm my example say TA. Me ba TA. Ebi krobi, edi obi akoshe baby dada and say meet me am scholarship. How am I supposed to know it at this time?
But it doesn't stop say kosa ye modi.
Menka say mo obi amomidi, but it is also part of the education say be man for say. Yen ton scholarship no ye one. Obi ji usika opa video no for evidence no call police me enche.
Do you agree said that is why you are there? It doesn't mean say na sa de nkoso.
Menka say nkoso. I am telling Ghanaians say don't go and pay money. Et say Nhyira FM omu time we yeje 20 cedis opeso be adverta. No obi ache wakodada no aje 100 cedis. What do you do? What do you do? O be blame Jimmy Agla na be blame Okukuseku.
Say ekoso a e be blame no.
o say ekoswa ada na won blame Ghana police me need the power to arrest.
I'm just saying say scholarship issues na ba ya ama wo akon. One of the things here kafa as a fojin so as a foje call ye no wa ma nyoma ye transparent o ma o share nyoma MPP for now were complaining we are aware be 70,000
of course MPs be confront me almost obutu yes but the name of the game is evidence.
Chairman the American say the fact that we hear nyoma new no say na bibi wo ho anything na wo hear nyoma na ye ka say
of course
ade na sesa
on say afi de wan kasa wasan aba me track me say bibi fufro so nko ye wo ba bia say bibi fufro so nko ye wo ba bia now no so what's situating in that context.
No, I'm just saying say ultimate responsibility
no so for Ashanti region ultimate responsibility for Ashanti region
see be senior communication director I know the ya na nka wo keka eti hu fifiri the tiani say so to no ahun was what
omo aye dia tumi aso omo zati omo ba bia no pe omo dia bi tumi aso omo zati omo ba bi num ti
fifiri na wo ti so ba ya na person ye democratic say fifiri na person wo ti they now what's in the first no sam fifiri na no be oba be democrat na me scholarship se ke no aba be kana ko
oh of course eno na e dey ashemen
ai eto be ka
na ndi odika
eno na e dey ashemen
ndi odika
na dey the Galamsey ashensa
oh dey o media personality
media person
advocacy no nti wo to make am bibia
mate